In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Microsoft Outlook. If you're juggling emails and tasks across different tools, this walkthrough will help you bring them together so you can work faster with fewer tabs open. Start by opening your browser and going to clickup.com. If you're not already signed in, click Login at the top right. You can use your Google sign-in if your account is linked, or enter your credentials manually. Before moving on, double-check that you're in the correct workspace so the integration lands exactly where you need it. Once you're on your ClickUp dashboard, head to your TeamSpace overview. Open the main menu. Depending on your layout, you might click your profile or a More option, and choose Apps to open the App Center. This is where all external integrations live and where you'll manage them later if you need to make changes. Inside the App Center, use the search bar and type Outlook. You should see Outlook email appear in the results. Click it to open the integration details, then choose Configure. A quick setup checklist helps avoid hiccups. Make sure you're signed into the correct Microsoft account in your browser. Confirm you have permission to add integrations to this workspace, and ensure browser pop-ups are enabled so the sign-in window can open. Next, select the option to add a new connection. Click Sign in with Microsoft, enter your Microsoft credentials, and approve the requested permissions. These permissions allow ClickUp to connect to your mailbox so emails can be attached to tasks and tracked in your workflows. After you approve, ClickUp takes care of the sync in the background. This usually completes quickly. When the connection is active, you can link emails to tasks and manage everything in one place. No more copy-pasting or bouncing between apps. It's a good idea to give it a quick test. Pick a task you're working on, attach a relevant email, and confirm it appears as expected. If something doesn't look right,